Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be filming how I do this hair. It's just really easy, messy, beachy waves for summertime and for like when your hair just kind of needs some oomph on like the second day. So I also want to apologize in advance for any construction-y sounds throughout this video. It is going to be mostly a voiceover, like for example that. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but it's so loud I'm like pretty sure you can. So yeah, they're gonna be doing work all week though, so I really have no other time to film. But yeah, I'm just gonna be doing this hair and it's gonna be a really quick, easy video. So if you wanna see how I do it, then just keep watching. So I already have this dry shampoo all throughout my hair. I just sprayed it pretty much everywhere, but I focused it mostly on the front because that's where it looked the greasiest. And then that's really the only product I have in my hair, and it's looking super already like messy and piecey and fun. So basically I'm just gonna go in and start curling random pieces of my hair, and I have it parted really far over too because I just think that kind of adds to like the messy effect. So I'm gonna fast forward this part. You guys can probably get the idea. So first I'm just going in and curling the front pieces of my hair. I usually do them going opposite directions so that they don't all curl together in one giant piece. And yeah, that's basically that. I just go back and forth, and I decided I wanted to curl that one away from my face. And it's pretty easy. So then for my bangs, I always curl them towards my face, if that makes sense, because it gives them a really nice swoop. So that's something I always do rather than away from my face, because then it kind of gives me that Farrah Fawcett curl, which is not what I'm looking for. And I just like the way that it frames my face. So then I'm going around and continuing to do that flip-flopped curling method where I do it back and forth. So yeah, it's really easy. And finally, once I'm done curling my hair, I just go through with my fingers and mess everything up and run my fingers through it and make it all messy and just kind of style it the way I like. And you can kind of see what I was talking about with that swoop there. And then I just go through and tease a little bit with a brush to make it even more voluptuous and messy. Okay you guys, so that is how I've been doing my kind of curly, messy hair ever since I cut it short, and I really love the way it looks. And I hope you guys do too, and I hope you try it. And if this video was helpful, then then just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.